For accurate weather forecast and live news, subscribe to our Skymet Weather YouTube channel. Press the bell icon and do not miss on any of our weather news.
Welcome to Skymet. This is the weather brief for next 24 hours, commencing 24th of morning. There is a single system which is controlling the monsoon activity, but that is confined to east and northeast India. Hardly any other significant weather system, and there is no progress of further of southwest monsoon that's over the northern parts of the country. Firstly, coming to east and northeast India, we see the cyclonic circulation has shifted a little southward. Earlier it was over northwest Bihar and adjoining Uttar Pradesh region. Now it's over southwestern parts of Bihar adjoining Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand area. So therefore the weather activity will shift a little south. Earlier some parts of Bihar had some rains along the foothills, causing some flood situation. That was mainly Gopalganj, it was Siwan, Saran, Champaran, that was the area, Muzaffarpur also. With this, the situation should improve. The rains should improve over that area, foothills, and then situation overall should improve. Rain belt now over Bihar, that should be southwestern parts, that's covering possibly Aurangabad, Babua, Buxar. This is the pocket which should have some rains. As far as Jharkhand is concerned, there are also very limited weather activity, but extreme western parts of Jharkhand will have, which includes Gumla, Gumti, Latehar, Daltonganj. These are the pockets which should have this activity. Northeast India has been having fair amount of rain and thundershower, and they are going to continue in these 24 hours and even thereafter also. Isolated places could have some heavy rainfall also. Sikkim, Sub-Himalayan, West Bengal, that remains the favorite for having fairly widespread activity in these 24 hours. Coming to the northern parts, very little weather activity over the northern parts. The monsoon, as I said, it remains same. There is no further progress and not likely also in the coming days. Stays put. Northern limit of monsoon should be confined to Amritsar and Ambala over Haryana and Punjab region, and it will take possibly maybe a week or more to advance further over these parts. So is for Delhi region also. There is no significant weather expected in these 24 hours. The temperatures are rising. Even Delhi has risen by another 3 degrees or so, reaching very close to 40 degrees. And most parts of even Rajasthan, especially the western parts of Rajasthan, inclusive of Bardmer, Jaisalmer, follow the even up to Ganganagar, Bikaner. These are the temperatures recording close to 40 and above. Highest in any case, that was Ganganagar with 42 degree plus. So with these harsh conditions, the summer is going to catch up once again till the time the monsoon comes over these areas. The central parts of the country, as I said, because of this cyclonic circulation and the trough extending from that southward, Chhattisgarh and adjoining region, parts of Orissa, they can have good amount of rainfall, possibly heavy also at places. Chhattisgarh, northern parts will have more than the southern parts. We can have Durg, Raipur, Raigad, Bilaspur, Balrampur. These are the pockets which should have good amount of rainfall. The southern parts inclusive of Bastar, Sukma, Dantewada, these parts should have a little less rainfall. Interior parts of Orissa, yes, they can have some good amount of rainfall, especially places like Jharsuguda, Sambalpur, Titlagarh, Kalahandi, Bolangir. These are the pockets which can expect some good rain thundershower activity. Coastal parts, light rainfall, and so are the southern parts of Orissa. Going further eastward, parts of East MP and Vidarbha region may have some light and moderate rainfall at some places, but the activity will be reducing over these parts. And further westward, obviously it's not very significant at all. Western parts of MP adjoining Maharashtra, Marathwada region, Madhya Maharashtra region and whole of Gujarat will not have any significant weather activity. Konkan region also it's going to remain light, mostly light, moderate at places. Coming down to the southern parts of the country, as it is the region has been lying dormant for quite many days, last about 2 to 3 days, and the similar situation is going to prevail over this area. Coastal parts even also of Karnataka and Kerala will have some light activity. It will be just about moderate at 1 or 2 places, but otherwise that also will be very light. The interiors, like the other days, will not have much of significant weather, be it Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, and even for that matter interior parts of Karnataka also similar conditions are going to prevail. This is the weather brief from SkyMet. Keep watching for latest and further information. Thank you.
Keep your family healthy by downloading SkyMet AQI app and tracking air pollution of your location in real time.